Hey everyone, Mike here. If you're like me, constantly searching for the ultimate piece of gear for your outdoor adventures, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm introducing a game changer in survival tools, the Ultimate X23. And here's the best part, it's exclusively available through our official website. This isn't just any shovel. The Ultimate X23 is a marvel of versatility and practicality. It's designed to provide real-world solutions for a myriad of situations you might encounter in the wild or while prepping for the unexpected. Why am I so excited about this shovel? Because the Ultimate X23 is not just about performing one task well, it's about excelling in everything. It combines a survival axe, a saw, a magnesium rod for fire starting, a screwdriver, and even a bottle opener, all in one rugged, compact tool. And remember, this innovative gear is only available on our official website. Join us and discover why this multifunctional shovel is a must-have for anyone serious about their outdoor adventures. So don't wait. Make the Ultimate X23 shovel a key component of your survival equipment. Stay prepared, stay equipped, and let's keep pushing the limits of our outdoor adventures together.